I'm gonna tell you how to make a zombie game. As you can see, I got all my zombies in my player. Now, I have a lot of zombies, as you can see. I have a lot of zombies. But we won't do about that yet. So, first thing you want to do is go to the asset store and download Oculus. You also want to download Polygon and Zombie. These are the three things you want. And then you kind of just get the scene out, right? You can have any scene. And then first off, you gotta get the gun. So you take the gun from the polygon out. Wait. No, you just take the poly thing out. Take it out and you place it in the hand. Actually, you put this inside of the hand, which is in. It's right around here. So you gotta put it into the left hand. The custom right hand, custom left hand, things like that. You put it in and you make sure it goes in the right place, and then you add in the bullet. And then I don't know where my bullet is, but you add in the bullet and that's it. And then you want to add in the zombie, and then you see the zombie, you add him in, you give him a collision box. You give him a collision box so when the bullets hit him, he dies, basically. That's just make sure he dies when the bullets hit him. That's you gotta code it like that, and you gotta give it the navigation mesh agent. And then I just take that one zombie and just copy and paste it everywhere, and then I copy the entire thing, and I copy and paste that 100 times. I literally copied it 100 times. See, and that is how you do it. And then you want to make sure your thing can movie doobie. So you have the gun ready, and you also have this thing. At the end of the gun, we got these little this. So every time you shoot it, it looks like it actually shot something out of it. Does that make sense? Okay. And then you want to add in the collision box, and then you want to, yeah,